Life is a one.
Good morning, cuties. So today I thought I'd show you what I'm eating in a day on low carb. So I just want to remind you, I do low carb, not no carb. So I do have some fruit, and I also eat 1 carb a day, meaning like brown rice, whole grain bread, and I try to limit that to 1 time a day. So I tried something new today, a little new recipe I just found this morning. And these are prosciutto cups with 1 egg inside, and I bake them. Kind of interesting. I'm gonna see how it tastes. The recipe called for spinach. I didn't have any, so I put some little tiny cubes of cubanelle peppers and some green onion, and they're at the bottom. And then I put the egg inside, and I baked it, said for about 12 minutes. I put it in a little longer so that the yolk was runny, but the whites are cooked. And it bakes at 375. I will try to link the recipe below, and I'll let you know how it tastes. And over here are my grapes, just a cup of grapes. So the grapes are 62 calories. The 2 eggs I used is about 143. I already had my coffee with creamer, which was 72 calories. And the 2 slices of prosciutto is 53. So this breakfast is a total of 331 calories. And it's pretty low in carbs since I don't have any bread. So stay tuned for my lunch. I wanted to come on here and show you that I took a bite, and it's pretty good. The prosciutto, of course, at the bottom is not crispy. It's a little crispy at the top. The egg is cooked perfectly, so I do like that. The peppers are kind of overpowering for such a little cup, so next time I will try to use the spinach, but I would definitely make this again. So, like I said, I'm gonna try to link the recipe below, and you can obviously improvise this, but I wanted the basis of how they did it and how long it had to bake. So again, stay tuned for lunch. Here is my lunch. So this is going to be a high calorie lunch, and this is going to be my 1 type of carb for today, excluding fruits and vegetables, like I said. So I'm going to just tell you what the calories are for this meal. My reduced fat Triscuits is 110 points for 6. And this is what the box looks like. And over here is my homemade curry chicken salad. And what I put in my chicken salad is real mayonnaise, celery, onion, chopped walnuts, and some golden raisins, salt and pepper, and curry powder. I just do it to taste. We like a lot of curry powder, but you can do it the way you want. So this is quite high in points. It comes out on my FitnessPal as 378 calories. To me, it's worth it to use the real mayonnaise. It tastes good. I have enough calories for the day to have this, so I'm going to enjoy that with my crackers. And over here is just some celery sticks. And on there, I use the Green Goddess seasoning from Trader Joe's. This is the first time I'm using it. I've had it for a little while, but I've never opened it until today. So we're gonna give that a try. And I have my jug of water right here. And for this entire lunch, it is 435 calories. So stay tuned for my dinner. I had to come back on to make a correction. This meal totals 495 calories. And also I tasted the Green Goddess seasoning on my celery, and it's pretty good. It doesn't have a lot of salt, which is good, but it just gives the celery a little bit of flavor. So I definitely would recommend it. And here's my dinner. I made some turkey chili tonight, and I just kind of made this up. I have no recipe. I just put a bunch of things in the crock pot, some turkey, tomatoes, two kinds of beans. I put chickpeas and kidney beans and chili powder, of course. So what I have on top is a quarter of a cup of the reduced fat Sargento cheddar, and that's 90 calories. The sour cream is the Daisy Light sour cream, and it's 2 tablespoons for 35 calories. And my chili came up to about, for 1 cup, 256 calories. So that's a total of 381 calories for dinner. And over here, I just have some homemade iced tea with a couple teaspoons of monk fruit sweetener. And that's 0. So here is my dinner, and I will see you for dessert. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Have a great night.